Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. It's another video in this series tracking Highway 2000, the leg between Pen and Williamsfield. So I would have put up one video already, or probably even two videos, because I'm not sure the order in which I'm uploading yet. But you guys know, once I'm tracking the new Highway 2000 leg, I try to do multiple videos so you guys can see what's happening. Alright, so this would have been the third video, because we did the first video at the start of the highway where they're building the bridge. Second video would have been Foga Road, and then the highway is running behind this building in front of us, way up in the hills, so you guys will get to see that it's a good distance from here behind the Juicy Beef factory. So we're at Clarendon Park. So that's giving you guys an idea of where we are. So you guys can have an idea where the highway is running. So the highway will be around about 15 minutes from here. Over here is a new plaza de Bassier. So there's still a lot of empty spaces on this plaza. So we're in Clarendon Park. The highway runs from Pen to Williamsfield. What I'll do as well is put the link for the final stretch of the highway that I did the last time in Williamsfield area, so you guys have an idea where the highway ends. I won't go there today because the weather is a bit overcast. I won't go there today, but I'll put the link for when I covered where the highway will basically finish up in Williamsfield. So in the Clarendon Park area, I'm gonna drive closer to the highway, and then I'm gonna have to set up the drone because it's a far distance in. So we're heading back towards a popular spot, Maurice Jerk. So we're gonna pass there, now we take a right, and then where the road finishes I'll show you guys, and then I'll start the drone from where that minor road finish, and then fly closer to the highway. So the highway cut out a lot of this area to make the route very shorter to reach Mandeville. So they just cut a direct path. So we have Maurice Jerk on the left coming up, but the right turn is this right turn. So I'm just gonna turn at Maurice. Not sure if you guys are familiar with this spot. The jerk everything, jerk sausages, jerk pork, rabbit, chicken, fish, and a Maurice jerk right here in Clarendon Park. So it's a good spot to stop by, eat, get some food, chill a little bit. Alright, so Maurice jerk and fish. Not sure if you guys ever stopped here before, but it's a chill spot, somewhere to get some food, some jerk, rabbit, fish, pork, chicken, you name it, they have it. Not sure many of you guys have ever tried jerk rabbit before, but you can let us know in the comment section. So Maurice jerk and fish. So we're gonna leave from here and then turn around to the minor road on the left, and then we send up the drone. So you guys definitely stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and if you want to donate to the channel so we can do more videos like these, we have PayPal in the description. Alright, let's head on to the minor road. So it's a lot of land over there though, so it's Clarendon Park Meadows. A lot of empty lots, a lot of lots for sale as well. So Clarendon Park Meadows, there's quite a few farm lots over there too. Vegetation farming and a lot of chicken rearing as well. A lot of chicken cubs, massive size. So we drive it closer to the highway. Alright, so a few nice homes in this community as well, but the road basically ends here. So I'm gonna set up the drone now so you guys can get a look of the highway, the progress of the highway. Alright, so some big lots, very big lots down here. You can build your dream home, your dream house, your dream home, whatever you choose. So you name it, the land is down this side. So let's jump on into the drone, guys, and see what's happening with the highway.